Hi everyone, welcome back to Amaze Math. So today we'll continue the part 2 of compound interest. If you haven't watched the previous video, I'll put the link somewhere up there. So let's continue the topic. So we can start off with the formula. So compound interest equals to principal times 1 plus r over 100 power n. And P is the principal. So this is the initial amount invested. Invested or borrowed. And then the R will be the rate as a percentage. So this one can be per month or it can be per year. Per annum is per year. Then N is the time or the period. It can be in years or it can be in months. So let's do another question from the paper for the extended. Okay, so this question is from last year, paper 4, series 42, May-June 2023, the IGCSE paper extended. So Anil invested $3,500 in an account that pays a rate of 2.4% per year compound interest. Calculate the total interest and at the end of the 5 years. This is question 2C of the paper. So calculate the total interest. So remember the formula, the CI would give you the total amount you invested and the total amount of interest earned. So this is inclusive of the interest earned and the initial amount you invested. So if you just want to find the interest only, you'll take the total amount minus the principal. So let's find out the total amount earned. So we know that the formula is CI equals to P times 1 plus R over 100 power N. Please bear with any background noise. So our principal, Anil invested 3,500. So that will be the principal. So 3,500 times 1 plus, the rate is 2.4. So 2.4 all over 100. Then the period, the time is 5 years. So you want to find the total and at the end of the 5 years. So power 5. So you take your calculator, we'll start from here. 2.4 divided by 100 plus 1. And then the answer power 5. Okay, then you go ahead and multiply by 3,500 times 3,500. So here we're getting 3,940, and because it's money, you just round it up to 2 decimal places. So money, 2 decimal places. So the total amount of money earned after the 5 years will be 3,940.65. So this amount is inclusive of the initial principal invested. So to just find the interest earned at after the 5 years, we'll take the total amount of money at the end of the 5 years minus the principal invested. So the CI minus the P. So minus 3,500, that will be 440.65. So this is the interest earned after the 5 years. Part 2 of question 2C. So find the number of complete years before Anil has at least 5,000 in his account. So from the previous question, after 5 years, Anil had 3,940.65. So by looking at this, we can say maybe if we add another 5 years, and this one he earned an interest of 440.65. So over here we can estimate So after 5 years, he earned for 40.65 on top of the 3,500. Another 5 years, he'll earn another for 40. So we can calculate the total amount for 10 years would be double of that. So let's say 440.65. Another 15. We add another 5 years. That will be another for 40.65. So if we do for 40.65 times 3, we have 1,013.21, and then we add the initial amount. That will be around 4,008. 4,008. Okay, so let's try with 15 years. So compound interest equals to P times, and in this case you want to use our N as 15. So the initial amount was 3,500 times 1 plus 2.4 over 100. It was the same rate, and then now we try with 15 years. So 2.4 divided by 100 plus 1 power 15 times 3,500. So we're getting to 4,995.37. It's close to the 5,000, so maybe we add one more year to the 15. So we can try with the 16. Let's assume the time is 16 years. So this will be 3,500 times 1 plus 2.4 all over 100 power 16. So let's try with the 16 years. So that will be 2.4 divided by 100 plus 1 power 16 times 3,500. So this one is giving us 5,115.25. So as per the question, find the number of complete years before Anil has at least 5,000. So the answer would range between 15 and 16. We can say maybe 15 years and some few months, but now they want us to give complete years. So it's good at least we pick the bigger number, which is 5,000. So after 16 years, you'll have 5,000 and even extra. So we can say the complete years will be 16 years. So that's in on the compound interest. And remember to use compound interest when you're investing in real estate, in stocks, in mutual funds, because you're going to earn money on top of your interest each year. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.